Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 65 Chevelle here. There you can hear the stereo. See the tack working, fuel gauge is at 1/4. There's your gauges down there all working. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn works. I don't know if the heater fan works. All the controllers move, but I don't know if the fan's not kicking in. So we'll get a look at that. We just got the car in. Tilt steering wheel. There's your wipers. Got cooling fans, your power steering, power brakes. Headlights, you can see all your wiring. You did a nice job on that. Got any questions? Give me a call, 605-695-7391.